Hi guys, it's time to give your laundry routine a makeover. Turn the chore of washing clothes into something pleasurable. Today in this demo video, I'm going to help you understand how to use Croma's fully automatic top-loading washing machine. It's really simple. You just need to get your detergent with yourself and follow me. Remove the cardboard box and styrofoam packing. Place the machine on a flat surface. Remove the inlet hose from the drum. After installation, plug in the machine. Now load the laundry, add detergent, close the lid, put down the drain pipe, and turn on the water supply and select the desired program according to the laundry type. You can even select options like water level, delay, wash, rinse and spin for personalized washing. The display shows the settings, estimated time remaining, options and status messages for your washer. In case of doubt, use the one-touch function. For personalized operation, select the desired program. Speed wash, washing, rinsing and spinning time can be selected as per your requirement for your clothes. And finally, press the start and pause button and relax. This washing machine is equipped with a double balancing ring for a stable performance. You can even go for a delay function and choose as much time as you want for washing. You can also activate the child lock just by pressing the rinse and spin button together for 3 seconds. This child lock will lock all functions except for the on and off button. When the washer stops, the buzzer will buzz continuously for 6 times and then the power will turn off automatically. After that, it's time to unload the laundry. It has an inbuilt eye clean function which happens after washing and before spin. Turn off the water tap and pull out the safety plug. Clean the lint filter in the tub. Remove extraneous matter. That's it. Truly simple. Thank you for selecting Croma's fully automatic top-loading washing machine.